Hello and welcome back to my channel. So if any of you watched my video where I unboxed my Vegan Outfitters mystery bags, you'll know that towards the end of that video I mentioned that I wanted to customise one of the jumpers by bleach dyeing it and maybe cutting it. Don't know on that one yet, but you'll find out later in this video. But yeah, basically I've decided to go for it, but I'm not going to video the process. I'm just gonna show you a step-by-step photograph of what I did. So if you didn't see that video, here's what the jumper looked like beforehand. Let's get straight into it. So it's still a little bit damp. I've just had it hanging up in my shower, as you could probably see. Um, yeah, I was a little bit worried when I first saw it that it would look a little bit like blood splatters, which was definitely not the look I was going for, but I think it has changed into more of a rust colour now, which makes it a little bit more grungy, which was the look I was going for. So it's still full length at the bottom. You can see all the liquid there from where it still is drying out. It was so wet after because I washed it so many times to get the bleach out. I probably could put it in the dryer, but I'm just gonna let nature take its course, given that it's just like the one item. But once this is all dry, I will try it on and then we'll see if I decide to do anything else with it. So here's the jumper on after bleach dyeing it. Let's give you a closer look at everything. My hair out the way. So I think now I'm going to cut it. Okay, are you ready for this? I mean, I haven't done a great job, but I tried to make it a bit longer at the back. So it kind of worked, but cool. Well, that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.